Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have Toyota Camry 2002 with this sign. You see the collision sign, it says off. So, and also here you see this one also is off. You see there's a sign here, also it's in orange, and it's a pre-collision system. See here we have a message. It say pre-collision, let me show you, pre-collision radar sensor blocked. Wow. LTA, unavailable clean radar sensor. LTA, unavailable. So let me see what happened there. Okay, I'm gonna go here. And then I go to diagnose. What that mean? Go by VIN number, click detect. You're gonna wait a little bit for the communication to establish, unless if you don't put it yet. We need to have a green sign here, then go by VIN, auto detect. What I realize is if you are doing Toyota, if you are doing immobilizer, it will connect you to, you must have Wi-Fi or internet. You see here, let me see what car is it. Okay, North America, radar cruise. Yes, it's radar cruise without this marquee, with electrical parking brake. Or without. No, this doesn't have electrical parking brake. 2021, say yes. Now I'm gonna try to get a complete diagnosis to see what code is there and what module it related to. I gotta go to diagnose, control auto scan. This will allow to scan the whole car, and it's very fast because of the newer the car, the faster. You see combination meter, we have 1 fault, main body 1 fault, sliding roof no response, we don't have no sliding room, radar 1 fault, no fault, radar cruise 1 no fault, wiper no response, front recognition camera front alignment 1 fault, navigation 1 fault. You know, like it's okay. So we know exactly where is the problem is. Pre-collision system PCS 1 fault. So we have fault in 2 places. Lane control 1 fault. So okay, so let's see report. After the line, we're looking for the line to get the details now. Okay, you see here, turn signal light, circuit current below Shroud. This is good. So maybe there is no problem with that. Main body, automatic high beam history. This is history. Why the automatic high beam code? Because it was broken and they changed it. You see this? They changed it with the new one. Complete new. Computer built in. So we're gonna leave this one. Now we go to lost communication with the cruise control front distance range sensor, single sensor, center missing message. Lost communication with the cruise control front distance range sensor, signal sensor, or center missing message. Okay, we're gonna confirm it and confirm it. We're gonna delete the code. If this is not there, we have to open the cluster and we have to open the front and see XM and Tuna. Lost communicate with the cruise control front distance range sensor message. So there is no need to go lost communicate with the cruise control front distance range sensor, signal sensor, or center message. So we gotta clear all this code, escape, do quick erase, press. Front recognition camera. Lane control. Let me read now. Do you have any code? Let me see if I can start the car and that thing can go away. Never go away. Escape. Auto scan again. I'm gonna scan it again. You see, still have LT unavailable. Okay. Front radar sensor, no blind spot, blind spot monitor, no response. Side, except pre-collision, no fault. Park assist camera, steering column panorama, lane departure, no fault. Front camera recognition, no fault. Trouble code, no code. Special function. Those are the things that you need to do, but you cannot do it without tools. So what happened is, before we have, he said that no front collision system, no fault. Like it keeps saying there is no fault at all. But what we're gonna do is we are going to do the programming. If it doesn't work, that means there is a problem. Please input the DTC, input desired DTC to check monitor. Forget about this one here. Still, he says something wrong there. Skip this. Yes. There is something. Pre-collision system radar sensor. Okay, let me go back. Pre-collision radar sensor. It's not there. Pre-collision system. Do you have two pre-collision or one? Pre-collision, he said no fault, but I don't believe it. Say no fault. Special function or readiness. Still giving us some codes. Maybe there is a fault code, I delete it, but he say that it's not there, or it's blocked, or maybe also is collision radar sensor blocked, unavailable, clean radar sensor. Maybe it's blocked or unavailable. We're gonna review this before we go crazy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. But our problem now is this: either it's not good or need to be checked. Thank you.